What is going on, guys? We are back here. I am looking at oil here. I like it a lot, actually. As you can see here, we are breaking this trend line here. We just actually broke it. We came back and now it's retesting. So I do like it to move lower and hit this 92.16 here. So I'm going to go ahead and take a trade here.
Order filled.
Perfect. My stop loss is gonna be over here, so around 215 stop loss, and we are aiming for this right there, for this level right here. As you can see here, it stopped once, twice, and it was this high. So that's what I'm aiming at, right there. One contract in all 5 accounts, so 5 times the damage. But I like it here, guys. We're gonna go ahead see what happens. And go from there. It's around 10:30 p.m. right now, so we'll see what happens tomorrow morning. This is oil, gold. I missed the trade, guys. I was looking at this rebound right here. As you can see here, it came back here, and we tested this level right there that I have. And I was gonna take a long here. This was at 6 p.m., but I didn't. So it is what it is. Nothing you can do about it. And then ES, which I like to trade, just making new highs now. So don't even know what to say here. It's just making new highs. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that alone right now because I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to short on a long there. But it's making new highs. I like oil to the downside, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. If you're able to wake up with either a nice win or maybe it'll come back up and hit this high again. But we'll see. All right, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now. All right, guys. We are back. This is a chart of oil. I did exit the position. I took an $88 loss. Not terrible. Just because we were down and then we came back up, and it seems like it wants to break this. So I'm getting a little impatient. As you can see all the way from over here. This is still retesting right now, so if it breaks, it's gonna start to go. And I wanted to take a big loss, especially after the loss we took the last week of like $500. So I exited, $88 loss, not a big deal. I am tempted to re-enter here now at a better entry, but I'm gonna wait. The other trade that I just took this morning in my other accounts was oil. I did take, not oil, ES, as you can see here. Took shorts right here. This is the opening candle. Right here, that was a perfect entry right here. Entered right there and exited, but it wasn't on this account. It was on my other accounts. But no big deal. And then gold. We are retesting this. Let's look at the hourly. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it's retesting this trend line right here. Here it held. Here it didn't close below. It held. Here it's holding now. So we'll see if we can hold. We can try to push up again, break these highs right here because it's just making lower highs. You see 1, 2, 3. It just keeps making lower highs. So if we are able to catch a long, we have to break these longs so we can actually break the trend up and keep going up. Okay, but I'm gonna wait for it, and we'll see what happens. If I do take another trade, I'll put it on here. If not, we might call it a day with a red day here today, guys. All right, we'll see you again. All right, guys, we are back, and I'm gonna get a little crazy here. I'm gonna re-enter this oil position, right here. It's like it's holding up. Looks like it wants to go down. I still have the exact same position in my other account, so hopefully it doesn't bite us in the butt. But I do like it, so I'm gonna re-enter with 2 this time to really push it down. Hopefully get rid of this 88 and try to make up some of the money from last week. But let's
Order filled.
there we go. So we're at 2. This is really what I really want to try to push to this. Obviously this is at the level where was it? Yeah, this level. So this is the level where I would really want to push, right here. But as you can see here, these lows, twice it kind of just pushed up. So I'm gonna wait, and hopefully we can yeah, anything over here, I think anything here is like just honey. I think if we can break down, we'll take it. But just wanted to show you, re-enter here with 2 contracts. So get it. Obviously, if it doesn't work out, this is not 500. We'll keep it around there. You can get a nice big loss again, but I still like it. It is holding. I'm actually on my other account over here. I'm actually gonna increase my position too.
Order filled.
Yeah, on my other accounts. That way, yeah. So I'm in pretty heavy on my other account. I still like the shorts, so I'm gonna keep it going. See what happens. 2 contracts, guys. Again, nothing happened with EAS. This dropped, but actually I'm looking at longs here. If it can break this here, and if you can see it, if it can break this, I like it here to test its all-time highs again. That's what I'm looking at. And then gold, nothing really happened in gold. I mean, you can make the case for longs here because this broke. We tested this and it's still holding, but I'm just gonna wait for it. Which I should have taken was here yesterday night, was longs here. This would have been the play, longs, but it is what it is. We'll take our shorts right here. Hopefully we can get a nice push down. This is what I'm aiming at. Hopefully we can get there. Obviously anything below here around like 200 or 300 or anything like that, I'll go and gladly take it, just so we can get some profit. There we go. You can see here a lot closer. So if we need to break this, if it breaks this, we know it's gonna bleed all the way down here. Nice, but that's what we need. All right, I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, we are back, and we got shanked here on that trade, on the oil trade. So we got in around like what was it, like around here or something like that, and we just came up. It broke. Our stop loss was like around here, but I just took a loss like around somewhere around here. And now it's coming back, and I mean it's still just here, but $400 loss. I'm probably done for the day because it took a $500 loss, so I'm not very happy about that. 2 losses, might as well call it a day. So that'll be it. Unfortunately, we're in a kind of a losing streak the last couple of trades, so it is what it is. Yeah, ES, as you can see here in the hourlies, this is basically today, just a lot of just nonsense right there. Let's see what gold. Yeah, gold I wanted to take longs at this bounce, kind of glad I didn't, and it's all the way over here. It's still testing this level right here, as you can see, it's a very strong level. But like I said, I'm not going to take any trades. If I take any trades, it'll probably in my other account, which I took another big loss to there. But it's all part of the game, guys. Not much you can do here. It is what it is. And we'll try to catch some more trades tonight at market open or tomorrow. All right, we'll call it there, guys. Bye now.